Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst. So I have started this video series in which I am discussing 100 questions for Microsoft DP-600 and I hope that using these questions you can learn more about Microsoft Fabric and score 900 plus marks. If you want to get access to all the questions, then you can purchase my Udemy course. In this course I have combined all the questions and you can find the discount coupon code in the description. And along with it, after you purchase the course, I will share the notes and additional questions as well as the case studies PDF. So do check it out. Now let's move toward question 8. You have a Fabric tenant that contain a Microsoft Power BI report named report 1, and report 1 include a Python visual. Data displayed by the visual is grouped automatically and duplicate rows are not displayed. You need all the rows to appear in the visual. What should you do? There are 4 options. Reference the column in the Python code by index, modify the sort column by property for all the columns, add a unique field to each row, modify the summarize by property for all the columns. You can pause the video and go through the question 8 once again and then we will move toward the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D, which is modify the summarize by property for all the columns. Because to ensure all the rows appears in the Python visual in our Power BI report, we need to modify that how the data is being summarized, and Power BI often automatically groups the data and display unique rows based on the summarize by property of the columns. If this property is set to summarize like sum, average, etc., then it will group the data and you may not see duplicate rows. To display all the rows including duplicates, you should modify the summarize by property for all the columns. So correct answer is option D. I have also created a PDF for all these questions. So if you want to get this PDF, then you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will share the link in the description, or else you can purchase the Udemy course and get this PDF for free. So do let me know in case if you have any doubt. All the best for your exam. Thank you.